But you have been a regular visitor to China since, I must say, 25 years. What China has done differently, which India is not still able to do it, in as far as the infrastructure and the traffic is concerned. I'm not talking about any other issues, but specifically the infrastructure and the traffic.
As I said, that China, when they planned, there are many reasons to it. Uh, First of all, China became a world factory. They wanted to be an export-oriented nation. There was R&B control. They were more earning in dollars. And in this process, they created an infrastructure with that vision that how from a factory a container shifts to the barges and this barges connects it to the port. So how vehicles are not used for container transport but use barges. Second important part, China had vision to think for 15 years with that point of view that what will be the vehicle population. And accordingly, with the vehicle population, they had planned 8 lanes roads when they started building. India from 2 lane to 4 lane to 8 lanes. There is a process, but it also depends on the budget and also what country can afford. Like in Germany, autobahns were there in World War II time. Now, that was something very unique. That in 45s and 47s, there were autobahns with 8 lane roads with high speed cars. But in India, we did not have a high speed cars. With the development of infrastructure, now there are high speed cars.
So you are trying to say that public transportation system is also very important if you want to, consider the traffic issues into any country. So China has developed so far much more, better advanced public transportation systems into its country.
I would not better or something like that, but I would say, yeah, they have definitely focused on that much before. So they have been advanced to us on this